Good morning, dear children. Today we are going to study one more chapter. What is that chapter's name? Chapter name is Money. That is in our textbook. Chapter number is 12. 12th chapter. Name of the chapter is Money. What is money? We use it every day, isn't it? Without money we can't live. Okay, every day we use money. Then money is required for buying things or for paying for different services. എന്തിനൊക്കെയാണ് നമ്മൾ മണി യൂസ് ചെയ്യുന്നത്? നമുക്ക് എന്തെങ്കിലും സാധനങ്ങൾ വാങ്ങണമെങ്കിൽ പിന്നെ എന്ത് ചെയ്യണം? പേയിങ് ഫോർ ഡിഫറെൻറ്റ് സർവീസസ്. സ്കൂൾ ഫീസ് എടുക്കണം അല്ലേ? സ്കൂൾ ഫീസ്, കറണ്ട് ബില്ല്, അങ്ങനത്തെ പല പല എന്തെങ്കിലും നമുക്ക് കിട്ടുന്ന സർവീസസിനൊക്കെ നമ്മൾ എന്ത് ചെയ്യാറുണ്ട്? പേ ചെയ്യാറുണ്ട് അല്ലേ? പേ ചെയ്യുന്നത് എന്താ? നമ്മൾ പേ ചെയ്യുന്നത് മണി ഈസ് റിക്വയർഡ് ഫോർ ബൈയിങ് തിങ്സ്. സാധനങ്ങൾ എന്തെങ്കിലും വാങ്ങിക്കണമെങ്കിൽ നമ്മുടെ കയ്യിൽ എന്ത് വേണം? മണി വേണം. പിന്നെ എന്തെങ്കിലും ബില്ലുകളൊക്കെ പേ ചെയ്യണമെങ്കിൽ നമ്മൾ എന്താ യൂസ് ചെയ്യുന്നത്? മണി. ഇൻ ദിസ് ചാപ്റ്റർ study the addition and subtraction, different operations of money. Here in India, which currency is used? In India, rupees and paise. India's currency is rupees and paise. Then in America, which currency is used? In America it is dollar, but in European countries it is euro. But in India, in our country, we use rupees and paise. Then you know that what is 1 rupee? 1 rupee is equal to how many paise? 1 rupee is equal to 100 paise. Then another important thing is decimal point. This dot is used to separate the rupees from paise. Decimal dot. For example, this is the symbol of rupees. Rupees in the symbol. Rupees in the symbol. Then 50 rupees 75 paise. This in notation you write it as rupees 50.75. I'll read this one. 50 rupees and 75 paise. Once again listen, what is the definition of a money? Definition is money is required for buying things or for paying for different services. In Indian currency is rupees and paise. In India we use rupees and paise. Another thing is, you know that what is 1 rupee? 1 rupee is equal to 100 paise. Then how do you write rupees and paise? There is a decimal dot ഇട്ടിട്ടുള്ള decimal പാർട്ടിൽ എഴുതുന്നത് എന്തായിരിക്കും? Decimal പാർട്ടിൽ paise and whole number part. ഇതിന്റെ ഡോട്ടിന്റെ ലെഫ്റ്റ് സൈഡിൽ എന്തായിരിക്കും? Left side yes, that is rupee. Then this is 50 rupees and how many paise? 75 paise. Dear children, these are the coins and notes in India. In India we use rupees and paise. These are the coins in India. First one, 50 paise coin. This is 50 paise coin. This one. Then 1 rupee coin. Then 2 rupee coin. This one is 5 rupee coin. Then 10 rupee coin. These are the coins in India. 50 paise, 1 rupee, 2 rupee, 5 rupee and 10 rupee. These are the coins in India. Then which are the notes in India? Uh, 1 rupee note. This is 5 rupee note. 10 rupee. The old one is this one. This is 10 rupee. New one. New 10 rupee note. This one is old one. Then this is 20 rupee note. This one is old one. And this one is new one. New 20 rupee note. Here you listen. This is the symbol of rupees. Then this is 50 rupee note. This is old one. And this one is new one. New 50 rupee note. Then this is 100 rupee note. This is old one. And this one is new 100 rupee note. This is 200 rupee note. This one is 500 rupee note. And this one is 2000 rupee notes. All these coins and notes with different denominators are called money. These all are called what? Money. When we go shopping, we pay money for the goods that we buy. Okay, these are the Indian currencies. Some notes and coins. Okay. In your textbook, there are some review questions are there. First one is convert rupees into paise. Here rupees 90. How will you convert 90 rupees into paise? You know that 1 rupee. You know that 1 rupee is equal to 100 paise. So, what is 90 rupees? 1 rupee is equal to 100 paise. So, what is 5 rupee? 5 rupee is equal to 500 paise. So, 90 rupee is equal to 90 into 100. That much paise. Okay. Then, in multiplication, 10, 100, 1000, it is very easy. That means, if first you write the first number, no change, 90. Then you count how many zeros here? 1, 2 zeros. Simply you put that 2 zeros. That is your answer. So, how many paise? Yes, 90 rupees is equal to 9000 paise. You multiply this number by 100. Then you got 1 rupee is equal, 90 rupees is equal to 9000 paise. Why? We know that 1 rupee is equal to 100 paise. So, 4 rupee means what? 400 paise. The same way. Then, second question, rupees 30. How will you convert rupees 30 into paise? Here also you just multiply this number by which number? Is 100. So, 30 into 100. Here also we multiply these two numbers in easy way. First number 30, no change. You simply you write that 30, then you count. Here how many zeros are there? 2 zeros. So simply you put that 2 zeros. That is your answer. So 30 rupees means how many paise? 3000 paise. Then your question number C, rupees 83. 50 paise. 83.50. That means rupees 83 and 50 paise. Then here in rupees there is 83 rupees. This 50 is already in paise. So we cannot convert this into paise. That is already in paise. So first you convert this much only 83 rupees into paise. So 83 rupees. How will you convert 83 rupees into paise? 83 into 100. This 50 is already in paise. So simply you write 50 paise. So 83 into 100. What is your answer? 83. That means first number you simply write. Then in 100 how many zeros? 2 zeros. Then plus 50 paise. Then you add these two numbers. 8300 plus 50. When we add these two numbers, 0, 0 plus 5, 5, 3, 8. So how many paise? 8350 paise. That is your answer. Then your last question is rupees 45 and 18 paise. Here 45 is already in rupees and 18 is already in paise. So you convert this 45 in paise. Then how will you convert this 45 rupees into paise? 45 into 100 plus there is 18 paise. And so simply write that 18 paise. You just multiply these two numbers. That means 45 into 100 is 45. Then in 100 how many zeros? 2 zeros. Simply you put that 2 zeros plus 18. Then you add these two numbers. 4500 plus 18. This way you arrange numbers for addition. 0 plus 8 is 8. 0 plus 1 is 1. 5, 4. So how many paise? 4518 paise. This way you convert rupees into paise. Then your second question is convert paise into rupees. Then just opposite of rupees into paise. When we convert rupees into paise, you multiply that number into 100. Here what is the opposite of multiplication? Opposite of multiplication is division. So here paise is given. To convert paise into rupees, you divide this number by 100. This division by 100, it is very easy. In decimal, that chapter you already studied. How will you divide this number? Okay. How will you convert? What is the easy way? You just write the numerator. Which is the numerator here? 632. You simply write that 632. Then you count in denominator how many zeros are there? In denominator there are 2 zeros are there. So starting from the right side, after 2 digit 1, 2, then you put one dot. This is your answer. Then here you put that symbol. This is the symbol of rupees. So when we convert 632 paise into rupees, what is your answer? 6 rupees 32 paise. What if you understand? You divide paise by which number? 100. Then division by 100, 10,000 by using decimals. Okay. Then your next question is 1580 paise. Here also you divide by which number? Yes, divided by 100. What is the rule? When we divide one number by 100, you just write the numerator first, 1580. Then what is the second step? You count how many zeros in denominator. In denominator, how many zeros are there? 1, 2. So, first step, you simply write the numerator. Then, what is the second step? Second step, count how many zeros in denominator. Then, what is the third step? Starting from the right side, after 2 digit, you put one dot. That is your answer. So, how many rupees? 15 rupees and 80 paise. Okay. Then, question number C. 3,895. Divide here also you convert this paise into rupees. Here also what is the rule? Same rule. First step, simply you write the numerator 3,895. Then you count the zeros, 2 zeros in denominator. So starting from the right side, after 2 digit, you put one dot. Then how many rupees? 32 rupees, 38 rupees, 95 paise. Okay. Then last one, 4,689 divided by 100. Here also first you write the numerator, no change. Then you count the zeros, 2 zeros starting from the right side. After 2 digit, you put one dot. So what is your answer? 46 rupees and 89 paise. This way you convert paise into rupees. To convert rupees into paise, you multiply by which number? 100. Then paise into rupees. In that case, you divide it by which number? Divided by 100. Just opposite of multiplication. The opposite of multiplication is division. So here you divide it by which number? 100. Using decimals, find the answer without actual division. This is the easy way to convert paise into rupees. Then your third question is compare using less than, greater than, less than or equal to symbol. This symbol denoted, the open the mouth denoted by the bigger number, and this number shows that the smaller number. Then your question number A is rupees 70 and rupees 9. Here what is the whole number part? Here whole number part or rupees is 70, there is no paise. Here what is the whole number part? 9. 9 rupees. Which is greater, 9 rupees or 70 rupees? 70 rupees is greater. So you put symbol. Which symbol? Open the mouth. This way you put greater than 70, greater than which number? 9. That is not 900, it is 9 rupees. This dot is there, so that 0 is paise. Then question number B, rupees 9 and rupees 60 plus 30 paise. Here rupees 60 and 30 paise is there. So which one is greater, 9 rupees or 60 rupees? 60 rupees is greater. So 9 rupees less than 60 rupees plus 30 paise. Okay. So this one is bigger. Then question number C, rupees 35 plus rupees 5. Then what is rupees 35 plus 5? 35 rupees plus 5 rupees is rupees 40. This one is what? Rupees 350. So which one is greater? Rupees 350 is greater. Then next last one, 800 paise and rupees 8. Then what is 800 paise? You know that. How will you convert? Here both are in different units. One is paise, one is rupees. So you convert this paise into rupees. How will you convert? Here you study. Then divided by 100. Then you simply write the numerator and denominator. How many zeros? 2 zeros. 1, 2. Starting from the right side, after 2 digit you put one dot. So what is this? This left side is rupees 8 and right side also what? rupees 8. So which symbol? Equal symbol. These two are equal. All of you understand? Thank you.